Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to sort your data by date in Google Sheets step by step. If you've ever struggled with keeping your lists, project timelines, or records organized by date, this tutorial will help you quickly tidy things up so your spreadsheet always makes sense. By the end, you'll know not just how to sort by date, but also why each part of the process matters, making your life a whole lot easier when working with dates in Google Sheets. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is select the data that you want to sort. It's really important to include every column that's connected to your dates, not just the date column itself. So for example, if you've got a table with tasks and deadlines, make sure you highlight the whole table, not just the list of dates. If you only select the date column, the rest of your data might get jumbled, and you definitely don't want to lose track of what's what. Once your data is selected, we'll head up to the menu at the top. Click on Data, and in the drop-down menu, you'll see an option called Sort Range. Go ahead and click that. This is different from just sorting one column because Sort Range lets you organize a whole area of your spreadsheet, keeping each row intact, which is exactly what we want. Now let's take it a step further and pick the Advanced Range Sorting options from the next set of choices. Don't let the word advanced scare you. These options are actually pretty straightforward and give you a lot more control. Here's a key moment. You'll see a little checkbox that says Data has header row. Go ahead and check this if your data includes headers, things like date, task, or event. Checking this box tells Google Sheets not to treat your headers like they're regular data. Otherwise, you'll end up with your header row mixed in with your sorted info, and that's always a headache to fix. Next, you'll see a drop-down labeled Sort By. This is where you'll choose the column that contains your dates. Just find the one that says Date or whatever yours is labeled and select it. The beauty here is that you can sort by any column, but choosing Date will make sure everything lines up in chronological order. At this point, you have a decision to make. Do you want your dates sorted from oldest to newest or newest to oldest? You can pick A to Z, which will put the earliest dates at the top. This is perfect for things like timelines or schedules. If you want the most recent dates at the top, maybe for tracking recent activity, select Z to A. Don't worry if you're not sure, you can always redo this part and try both to see what works best for your needs. Once you've made your selection, simply click Sort. This part might take a moment if you have a lot of data, but don't panic if you see your table jump around. That's just Google Sheets putting everything in perfect order. Take a moment to double-check that your rows are still together and nothing looks out of place. And there you go, your data is now sorted by date, making it much easier to read, analyze, and manage. Remember, you can always repeat these steps whenever you update your data or need a new order. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions about sorting in Google Sheets. And of course, if you want more straightforward guides just like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.